Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to BeamNG.Drive, and in this video I'm gonna show you some mods that I find to be really useful. And before we start, I actually wanted to thank the person who actually suggested the idea for this video, so I'm gonna put up his comment right now. So if you have some video ideas that you'd want to share or want me to do, please leave them down in the comments and I'll try to record that. So yeah, let me know if you like this kind of different approach to BeamNG, where I show you different mods and things that could be useful for your gameplay. So we're gonna just hop right into it and load up a map, and I'll see you there. Alright, so we're in, and the first mod I actually wanted to show you is a UI app. In my opinion, it's one of the best ones out there, just because it's a really simple thing that could be really useful, and it's called the 0 to 100 timer. So if we put this one in and click there, done. This mod is really just what it claims to be. So it's a 0 to 100 or 0 to 60 timer, and if you actually click right here, you can choose the starting speed and the ending speed. So you could do a 0 to 300 or like an 80 to 120 or something. So you could do rolling races and drag races. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'm going to test it right here. So I'm just gonna launch the car, and as you can see, the time the time is really accurate. So if I actually try to launch it with launch control, it's gonna be a bit quicker. So it's really accurate, and yeah, I just really recommend you to download this mod, and you can just download it from the repository. Okay, so next up we have a really extreme mod, and it's actually the reason why I decided to spawn in a Vivace. And it's gonna be the craziest, in my opinion, car mod that's into the game. So it's called the Vivace SV, and you actually have a few options that you can choose from. You have these two, which are like the base extreme models, if you can say that, and then you have the intermediate one, and then the really extreme one that's mental. So as you can already tell by the sound, it's a really extreme car, and you actually have quite a few drive modes that you can choose from. You have like comfort, then city, which is not a stock one, so it's actually part of the mod. Then you have the quiet sport, then the sports, SV or scenic, and yeah. If you tend to drive long distances, I recommend you to put it on a quiet setting, just because it's really annoying after a while. But we don't care, so we're just gonna go on to the SV or scenic. And yeah, I'm gonna launch the car and you'll see how extreme it is. Yeah, it's really quick. As you can see, we have absolutely no problem doing 300 plus. It's actually limited, the speed, I think. So we're gonna remove the limiter and see what's up with that. Okay, yeah, it definitely feels quicker. We're approaching Formula 1 speeds. Okay, yeah, no. I actually managed not to crash, even though my brakes are fading like crazy, but yeah. As you can see, it's a really extreme Vivace. And nothing more, nothing less. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And let's go on to the last mod of today's video. So you might wonder, what the fuck is it doing in an airport? Well, I'm gonna tell you just now. And this is the reason why. Yes, here we go. This is the Fligin mod, and you might actually know this mod because everyone just spammed it on YouTube. But yeah, I wanted to show it to you, and I think it's a really funny mod you can use, you can work with, and yeah, I just think it's really funny. So we're actually gonna try to fly. I'm not the best at flying, but I'm gonna try anyway. Damn, the throttle is just... I mean, it's kind of stable.
And a few pockets of low pressure and really heavy band of rain showers and snow all the way from the eastern portions of Montana down to western
Okay. Easy, easy. I mean, it's not even that bad. It flies okay. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. So yeah, I definitely recommend you to download this mod. It's really nice. Alright everyone, so I think this is gonna be it for today. I showed you some kind of nice mods. Let me know if you want to see more, because I actually have many other mods that I'd recommend you to use, and I think are pretty cool. They just don't fit into one video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned stuff from it, and I hope you actually download these mods because they are really nice. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.